All right, guys, this is your comprehensive review for Chapter 1 here. As we look at this, we can tell uh, just about everything that's going to be on the test. So let's look at this first set of questions. Which set of points represents a function and why? If I look at this, going from looking at question 12, I have 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 6, 7. This would represent a function, and the reason for it is that the domain does not repeat. My x's don't repeat at all. So now I want you to do 13 and 14 and tell me whether those are a function or not. You will have at least one of those on the test. Let f be the function given by the rule 7 minus 2x. Complete the following table. Whenever we look at this one, all we have to do is plug the x values in. So it gives us 7 minus 0, which is 7. 7 minus 2 times 1, that's 7 minus 2, so 5. 7 minus 2 times 2, 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 2 times negative 4, which is 7 plus 8, because it's a negative times a negative, gives us a positive, so that'd be 15. Then 7 minus 2t, can't do anything with that, we leave it alone. So our f of x would just be 7 minus 2t. On to the next one. We have f of 7 minus f of 4. Whenever I look at this, this is functional notation. That tells me that I need to take the 7 and plug it in for everywhere I see an x. Then I take whatever I get there is my f of 7. Take the 4, plug it in everywhere I see an x. Whatever I get there is f of 4. Then subtract the 2. Remember that your domain value when you're looking at the graph is all of the possible x's that occur on the red line. The range is all the possible y's. When it says find all numbers such that x such that f of x equals 1, then we're looking at when our y is 1, what are the x's? So I see it crosses that line right there. And it crosses from here to here. That tells me everything I need to know. So it would be at x equals 0 and x equals, let's see, 2, 3, 4 to 5. So all the numbers, x is less than or equal than to 5 and greater than or equal to 4. Find a number x such that f of x plus 1 is less than f of x. That means that we are just taking a number where, now we'll just do this one. If I look at this, get rid of this line. Here, my f of x is higher than f of x plus 1. Because if I add 1 to x, that would take me out here. So I could just say from x equals 5. At x equals 5, x equals 6. F of x, when x is 6, is lower than 5. That's all we needed to do. Okay, on to the next stuff. For the sequence 3 times u sub n minus 1 plus 1 with u sub 1 equals 1.5, write the first 4 terms. You know what you need to do there. You start by plugging in u sub 1, and then once you get that answer, you plug in that answer until you get 4 terms. (43 to 46), find a formula for u sub n. Assume that the sequence is arithmetic. Remember that we need to, well, this one doesn't tell me whether I need to find explicit or recursive, but explicit is going to be easier here because I have a common difference in my u sub 1. you need to know the formula, explicit formula for arithmetic. That's going to be u sub 1 plus or minus the common difference. In this case, it's a negative, so it's going to be minus the difference of 6. And then it's that times n, so minus 6n. Okay, do the same for 44. 45 is a little different. We're going to have to find that common difference. That's generally like a slope formula. 85 through 88, we're finding a formula for n, or for u sub n, and the sequence is geometric. So you have u sub 1 equals 2, common ratio of 3. All you have to do is know the geometric formula. That's going to be u sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. Plug those in and you'll be set. For 87, you would work backwards. 88 the same. Finding the 11th partial sum, you need to know that formula that we have for an arithmetic sequence, finding the partial sums, and then for number 90, you need to know the formula for the geometric sequence. Okay, tomorrow we are going to do all of these, except the ones that I've done today. Just give you an idea of what will be on the test. So you should be doing this tonight. I'll go over it tomorrow. Then you have your test on Thursday. All right, guys, good luck. If you need anything, show up to the Google Meet. 1,